Have you ever experienced or seen a loved one struggle to find the right words for a big emotion?
In the next 3 minutes, we're going to transform your vocabulary for emotions.
I am not sure why Zac insisted that I meet him at this place. He seems to be running a little late again.
Hey Lily, here I am, and definitely not late this time. Let me come down and explain why I suggested that we meet here. Today I wanted to share my happy place with you. Whenever I'm feeling elated or just deeply content, this is exactly where I like to go. Big Bite Burger Cafe, my absolute favorite.
Wow, that's fabulous. So, are you going to treat me here today?
Huh? Well, not really. I just wanted you to get a glimpse of my happy place.
Oh, well, your blissful place is now making my stomach feel miserable.
Hey Lily, I can't have you feeling dejected at my comfort food joint. Let's grab a burger after we conclude our session, but we'll need to share it. Does that sound okay?
That's wonderful, Zac. I'm so proud of you. I was just testing you, and you passed. Let's both get our scrumptious meals later and enjoy your happy place.
Nice plan, Lily. Let's do it later. Now friends, as you may have guessed, today we are exploring some advanced words that reveal our emotions.
Just to explain this a bit more, an emotion is a feeling you have inside your body and mind. For example, happiness might make you feel ecstatic, while sadness could leave you feeling dejected. Even anger can lead to being frustrated or enraged. These feelings tell you how you are reacting to the world around you. I'm sure that receiving a gift makes you elated, but if that gift breaks, you might feel furious or miserable. Does that make sense?
Thanks, Lily. Now, let's look at a couple of sentences with the happy emotion to understand this better. First one. The ecstatic clouds bounced across the sky, leaving a trail of shimmering sprinkles behind them. Another would be, my dog amused the whole family when he brought a small, wet cat into our house. Here, both ecstatic and amused describe a pleasant emotion.
Thanks, Zac. A few more sentences to add here would be, my football team was elated to win the game. We can alternatively use jubilant or overjoyed as well to express this emotion. Another one, the old shoe felt miserable, sitting all by itself in the corner because it missed going outside to play. And lastly, my brother was furious when our dog ate his pizza. The emotion words here describe the excitement, sadness, and anger experienced by our noun, making our sentences more meaningful.
I hope that all makes sense. Drop a comment below with the best emotion word you learned today. We'll dive deeper into this in our follow-up session, so definitely stay tuned. Until then, keep practicing these words. We're heading off for a quick burger lunch, but we'll be back soon. Take care, everyone.